Take a ride in the 2013 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, remote keyless entry, outside temperature gauge, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, trip computer, power door locks, power windows, tachometer. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.